Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I'm going to be using the food processor, and we're going to grate cheese. So I'm going to show you how to grate cheese in the food processor. It doesn't matter what kind of cheese you pick, the process is the same. Okay, so let me adjust the camera and let's get started. This should be a quick video, alright? Okay, 1 second. Okay, so we're there. Alright, so this is the food processor, and the way you take the top off on this particular one is you turn it to the right, and then this here is a blade. This blade does slicing and you can grate, okay? And this attachment here comes with it, so you just take this, drop it down in the middle, and then you put the blade on. If you were, let's say, mixing or mashing potatoes, you would use this blade, okay? So you have the options of what you're doing, all right? Okay, so we're going to put this on. And then I'm going to put the top on and lock it in. It won't run unless it's locked in. So this little piece here, got to go in where the handle is, and it locks in. Hear that? Hear that? Okay, it's locked in. So now we're going to test and see that it's on. It's on. And it's also very loud. A food processor is very loud. So let me adjust this up so you can see the top of it when I put it in. Okay. So I have here, this is goat cheese. And this is a mild cheese, cheddar cheese. So you can use any kind of cheese like I said, okay? Alright, and this piece here just pushes it down the top here. Alright, so let me try. Okay, I'm going to start it. It's going to be loud. I'm not going to talk while it's going because you're not going to hear me. Okay. Okay, so you can see it's pretty quick. And you may end up with some pieces like this that didn't go through. You can put the top back on and try again if you like. If not, you can just cut it up. So we're going to drop it in and see if that breaks up. If not, you can cut it up with a knife. Okay, it broke up a little. Okay, so now we're going to take it off, and I'm going to show you. This is what we came out with. See, it's shredded. Okay, so it's cheaper if you buy cheese by the block and shred it up in a food processor like this than if you were to buy it by the bag. Okay? Alright, so another little trick to the trade that I wanted to show you. Alright. Okay, let me just wash my hands and give you the word of the day. Okay, so the word of the day. Are you stressed out over finances? You can't make ends meet. You don't know what you're going to do next week because you are financially strapped this week. Well, maybe you can consider getting a job or a second job, okay? I don't suggest you continuously borrow money because if you're already behind, you know, unless it's for a real emergency, it's just going to get you further behind, okay? But another income would help. Or if you can't do another job, maybe you can babysit for someone, or, you know, figure out a solution, right? Because there is a solution. And the most important thing is don't lose your head over it. Pray, because sometimes God will take us through some stuff. Oh yeah, I call them journeys. Sometimes he'll take us on a journey that seems like it's never gonna end, and it's not gonna end good. But it could end up good. Even though it looks bleak today, it does not mean that it's gonna be bleak always. There's some sunshine somewhere, and one day it's gonna shine down on you, and you're gonna forget all about this financial journey that you went through. But what it is doing is teaching you how to survive. And without those mechanisms, we would fail. So you go ahead and survive, okay? All right. And this is Grandma Ray Don't Play. Thank you for sharing the videos. I appreciate all your help and support. And for those who have recently subscribed, thank you. And for those who already have subscribed, thank you as well. Okay? And I look forward to continuing serving you. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye-bye. So go ahead and shred that cheese, will you? Bye-bye.